Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Figure 2 is the whole game here, and this quick question is really about comparing symbiont densities across temperatures on specific days, not guessing trends. First, lock onto figure 2 because that graph shows symbiont density directly, and the question asks about density findings, so ignore the DMSP details and compare the two temperature curves carefully. Next, check day 0. The densities at 27 degrees and 32 degrees are not clearly different there, since the error bars overlap, so any claim about a day 0 difference is weak. But on days 5 and 10, the densities at 32 degrees and 27 degrees are different, which matches the statement in option C. Well done! Option C. Scan now. Don't rush signs or timing. Trust the given graph and check the specific days before choosing.